Hello and welcome to this week's Coffee Chat with me, Nathan.
And me, Carl.
Did you forget then?
I did for a little bit.
We've
started.
It's been a few weeks, but we're back, unfortunately. So, yes, let's recap. So we've had lots of sporting action in terms of motorsport, haven't we?
Yeah.
Rallying.
Yeah, it's been a
touring cars.
very busy period, but obviously a lot's just happened in the last week that we thought we better talk about it.
Bit of a catch up, yeah. Yeah, it's been a while. So what's been happening in the WRC this weekend then, Carl?
Oh, Rally Finland.
Yeah.
Very exciting. Obviously I'm rooting for my man Elfyn Evans. He threw it off, on day two, unfortunately, and he was in a strong position. But the ups and downs of rallying. OJ went off and was hospitalised, but thankfully they're both okay, him and Julian Ingrassia. Elfyn managed to jump back up to third by the end of the rally, so his championship hopes are very strongly
He's
alive.
leading the championship currently.
Still leading it, yeah, and
excellent.
It's looking good.
Yeah.
Very good for Welsh rallying.
Okay, just Welsh rallying. And in the touring cars, I think we are kind of halfway through the season. The usual suspects are up there. So Ash Sutton's leading by about 59 points, I think, to Tom Ingram. So it's still kind of alive, but there's a lot of work for anyone to catch him. We'll see how that progresses. They're on their way to Knockhill this weekend, I think, for that round touring cars. So
That's a fair drive.
that'll be it. It is a fair drive, but it's always gives good racing. It's a great circuit.
I'm actually driving further than that for the Grampian Rally. So
The Grampian.
the Grumpy Rally.
Right.
It's that's Aberdeen way, and
a bit further up there.
yeah, it's a round of the British Championship, but it's important this year because it's a lot of the area that we used in Rally Scotland in the WRC next year. So Elfyn Evans, he'll be course car, I believe, and there's quite a few big names from the world circuit, if you like, that'll be there practicing and getting a feel for the stages.
You're warming it up for them. Well done.
Yeah. Big rally, and I'll be there, of course.
Well, that's a reason to go then. And I think we're in the summer break at the minute for the F1, so we haven't got anything till the 23rd of August. We're back, I think, in the Netherlands, 23rd of August, so we've got that to look forward to.
Yeah.
But more pressing, this weekend as well, we've got PistonHeads. So we're at Bicester this weekend for the PistonHeads Annual Service. We'll have our Yaris GR on the PAAA kind of end area stand displaying the car. We'll be there, so if you want to come and say hello, catch up with us. And while we're talking about the Yaris, we've got this here, look, if you noticed.
I noticed it there.
We've got a prop.
Yeah.
So this is our very, very fashionable Yaris GR t-shirt.
Fiji in the background.
Exactly, yeah. That's actually our Yaris on there, believe it or not. By the power of...
Did we take it to Japan?
We did, I drove there.
Right.
Last night.
Where you were.
Yeah, that's where I've been for the last few weeks. I went to Japan. But anyway, so if you have a GR Yaris, Phase 1, Phase 2, Gen 1, Gen 2, if you buy one of our carbon black label induction kits, you get a free t-shirt. There are a few different colours, but you'll kind of get what you get. Maybe find out what size you need, and we'll send you a free t-shirt.
That would be handy.
Yeah.
Should we put those on the website for sale as well?
They will be for sale as well, so you can buy one. They've got some nice ITG logos on. It actually says induction technology in Japanese. We did proof check it, so it definitely does say that. So yeah, the great little t-shirts, great big t-shirts actually, oversized fit. So,
Oversized.
yeah, down with the kids. It's a nice t-shirt.
Excellent. So, should we talk about filters? What's new on the filter side?
Here it goes again. Off script.
Off script.
Yeah. Well, what's new on the filter side, Carl? What have we got?
Well, imminently.
We have got some things on the horizon.
Yes.
If you wanted to talk about them, yeah, get people too excited.
Well, how do you say Hyundai? How do you say
Hyundai.
Hyundai.
Hyundai. I saw the advert.
It doesn't roll off the tongue, but yeah, our i30N induction kit is currently on the car testing now.
So we've got one already, haven't we, for the Hyundai
Got one, yes.
i30N Hyundai.
Yeah.
So this is a black label version. So this is full carbon.
Black label coming out the same time as the i20N.
I have one for that as well. Excellent.
I have that as well. So that's imminent. We're just testing the prototype version, and then it's in production.
So carbon goodies.
That's exciting.
And lots of other things currently, that we're looking at.
Too much to tell.
But we can't talk about it right now.
Yeah.
So anyway, thank you for watching this episode of Coffee Chat. I'll wrap it all up, I think, before he hits me with anything else unscripted. And
we'll try not to make such a big break next time.
No, we'll be back soon.
But we
really
found out today we've got some subscribers on YouTube.
So I was getting to that.
Right.
So if you are watching this on YouTube, don't forget to like and subscribe, because actually we're building our YouTube following now, so that's going quite well.
Yeah. So thank your wife for subscribing. That's always good.
Yeah. And all the friends.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's building well. So there's some content on there, some nice content. We did a great little fitment video on the Yaris up at String Theory. We had some nice modifications added to it. So go and check it out. It's a good little video.
That's a goodbye from him.
That's a goodbye from me. See you next time.
Ta-da.